guys, I'm Dhritika.
I'm Srishti.
Hi, I'm Sanjana.
And we are Besharam. Hi, Sabrash.
Look who's back.
Hi, guys.
I feel so nice to be back, like genuinely. I feel like at this point I've flown so many times
Yeah.
in this entire year, just
We
like
know.
to and fro, to and fro, to and fro. I have understood patterns now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's something that I've observed. Okay, when I was young,
Hmm.
as a kid, I used to really think that whenever you're at the airport and people who people who are wearing like a lot of like what do you say, like waistcoats and blazers and like good formal pants, or girls who are wearing like dresses and a lot
Yeah.
of earrings are very rich. But now I've understood like the silent killers, they'll be wearing like one full jumpsuit of Lacoste without the crocodile, and they'll have one LV bag without the LV written on it. It's just the
Yeah.
checks print.
Yeah.
That's how I've understood patterns, like who's actually rich. Like
It's the silent rich. They're not loud rich. They're not
Yeah.
loud with their money.
yeah,
And
I like silent rich.
yeah.
Absolutely.
I think that speaks more than people who are like. There's nothing wrong in doing that, of
Yeah.
course, but I feel
Yeah.
like you just have a better understanding to differentiate between the two. I feel.
Yeah, and at this point, though, I've understood the complete ways and patterns of how they sit, how they talk, and how they'll just. So when you're even boarding a flight, these people know they don't give two fucks about the world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't. Like 10 minutes ago, they will go because they have their business class queue, which is different.
Yeah.
And before that, they'll just till the last minute they'll be shopping. Then like
yeah, dude.
10 minutes ago.
That's something
Whack.
I've never wrapped my head around, because I have flown, I think, maybe less than 10 times by flight. Okay. And every time that I've gone to the airport, like my family and we've always been so early. And these people are boarding the flight at the last minute, and I don't understand how they do it. And I don't understand how they can afford to miss the flight because they were either fucking shopping or sleeping, or they were running late, and that dramatic running to the airport
yeah.
thing. That's just rich people bullshit that I don't think I ever want to understand that also, because I want to be punctual for my flight.
Yes, no matter how
what.
rich. Yeah,
no
yeah,
matter
yeah.
how rich, no matter what I have
Yeah.
to do prior the flight, I need to be there on time. And whenever I saw these patterns in these rich people, I was like, bro, I don't know about you, but get your shit together right now.
Yeah.
Something similar to outfits. When I was younger and I would go to malls to like shop, I would have like a proper outfit, like you've thought of an outfit. You're like, I'm going to wear this top, this jeans, these shoes, or these chappal will go really well with this outfit.
Yeah.
And then I would see like these people in the mall, they've come in like tracksuits.
Yeah.
Like one, no, like ट्रैक ऊपर टॉप है, नीचे पजामा है, और ऊपर वो जिप वाला हुडी है, and they've come to shop and I'm like,
But
what
you
the
know
hell?
that.
But those
That
are the
is,
people who are
yeah.
rich.
But I also hate how, like, it's become so, like, I don't like the whole minimal thing. Like,
Oh, I
even
love
though
it.
I know
Same.
everyone has their own
Yeah.
tastes and preferences, but I just don't like how they've reduced that so much, where anything beyond that is considered to be like, oh, she's trying too hard, or like she's, like, she doesn't fit into this category.
That's just
what
an
I don't like.
ideology.
That's an
Yeah.
ideology, right?
And
Yeah,
I'm
go on.
pretty sure that these people, they're not thinking of, if I'm coming in a tracksuit, they don't care about people judging them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're like, I'm gonna go in this because I need to pick 10 things and I know exactly what I want. So I'm gonna go, pick those up, pay the bill, and leave.
Right.
Yeah.
Because when we've been to malls with like family and friends, we're not just going to one store, we're
Correct,
hovering
yeah.
around, we're seeing things.
It's a mall. It's for them all.
Exactly, right? So I think that was a whack thing when I saw growing up.
It was an outing. Like, you had
Yeah,
to
yeah.
dress up to go,
Exactly.
to shop, to eat, to, I don't know, watch a movie if you're feeling fancy.
Yeah.
Or
there,
like,
there were times when I had to go shopping, but I had nothing to wear so that I could go shopping.
Okay.
So I've ordered some clothes online.
That's
So
a
you did
different
shopping
breed of
before
rich.
shopping.
That's a different breed of rich, bro.
so if you guys don't know what the premise of this episode is up till now, we are basically discussing things we found were like mad rich growing up. These are
Yeah.
certain traits that we noticed in people, in relatives, in people around us, maybe at school, your family functions or events that you went to as kids. And we just picked on these certain traits that people did and possessed, and we were like, oh my god,
That's
is mad
right.
rich.
Yeah.
So even while researching for this particular episode, I had two of my relatives, like two families in my mind, and I was literally comparing everything that they did to, to relate it to this specific topic. And their dad was overseas. Okay, he used to live in the Middle East, and they also used to live in the Middle East for a couple of years, and then they came back. And so whenever I used to go there with my family to their house, I used to notice these mundane things, okay, which to them weren't like, oh, extravagant. But
Yeah.
to me, it was like, oh bhai, ye to crazy
वैसा
हो रहा
बोलता है.
है. वैसा बोलता है. So something that I have, it's been a dream of mine since I was a kid, is to have a fridge full of magnets. Okay?
Same.
And their dad, because he was overseas, every place that he used to visit, he used to get a magnet from that specific place. And whenever he used to come back, it used to be like 5-6 magnets, and like it used to keep collecting, and they used to keep collecting, and that eventually that fridge became full of magnets. And I was like, and when you were a kid, you're so short, and that fridge was so tall that I used to be like, oh my god, this is huge. And like this is what I want.
Yeah.
And to this day, this has been one of my dreams.
Same.
To have like a fridge full of magnets. I don't care what it is.
It doesn't have
used
to be a
it used-
aesthetic
Yeah,
one.
it doesn't have to be. It used to be like a beach or like a
Yeah.
booze bottle, or like
yeah.
or like a fruit or something, and it just be so. Like, I used to be mesmerized by it. I used to love it.
The most common
Yeah.
one of those is the one with a small crate with like
Yes.
organized 6. They look like beer bottles, like
yeah.
yellow, green, and orange or red or something. I think every house has that.
Every house
Yeah.
has that, and even the fruits is something very, very common.
Yeah, but we don't have all of that. We never had, honestly, all of that. And my fridge has always had 16 magnets. Now I think there are 16
Ooh.
magnets. And I can proudly say that I got 3 of them.
Oh,
which is
but,
like
like,
a
you're a grown-up
huge
now.
achievement for me.
Yeah.
Like I have got it from my money, even though it has come from my parents only.
No, but it's your experience.
yeah, like
No, but
I went, I got it, and I have put it on my fridge.
Oh,
Correct.
that's
It
No.
feels great, bro.
I
It
can
feels
imagine.
amazing.
Absolutely.
And I want to collect so many more. I love
know.
collecting fridge magnets.
मतलब
No,
आगे का भी
same.
भर जाए, साइड का भी भर जाए, पीछे का भी भरने दो.
Yeah. And especially on the
Fully.
side of there's like a chit or something, like, like a reminder. You'll put a chit and then you stick it with a magnet. I don't know. Like, this sounds like it's so sad, but it's these simple pleasures that I really crave for.
Yeah.
and you should think that's rich.
I used to I don't think rich is the correct word, but I used to be like, this is what I aspire to have in my house eventually when I'm making my own money.
Yeah.
Okay. And a couple of other things that I noticed around their house, and they have a 3 BHK.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's like a spacious house. Okay.
Yeah.
And on their dining table, now this is another thing that I found was like, paisa bolta hai bhai. It's these matching cutlery. And they, you know how, at least in my house, we have the cutlery that we have, the spoons and the forks and the knives and all. Not all of them are from the same set.
Yes.
Like it's mixed,
Mix
and
and
matched, right? At least now. And even our plates aren't. Not all our plates are like mixed. Are from the same set. They're all
Yeah,
mixed and
yeah.
matched. And when I used to go to that house, and I used to go there very frequently for like festivals or like for parties or like just to meet them. SE. I used to go there and I used to see. You know that stack where you hang all the small forks, small spoons, big spoons, knives. It used to be kept on their table with a wooden bowl of fruits, and there's to be plates, and there's to be like those mats.
Yes.
And like
Yeah.
the coasters. I used to be
Even like a jug of water filled.
oh my god, yes. How? Like everything is so like prim and proper, and everything is so organized, and I'm like, ye kya ho raha hai? I'm feeling a little uncomfortable.
So I've always thought कि ओ बाप रे ये तो रोज नाश्ते में लो ड्राई फ्रूट खा रहा है क्योंकि because I remember my mom telling me कि don't waste because it's expensive and it made sense, like wasting food already is wrong, and if
yeah.
it's something that's expensive and not everyone can afford it, if I have
Yeah.
to put it that way, it's like you're mindful of not wasting it
Yeah.
and using it mindfully.
Yeah.
And then I used to see like people के मतलब the worst was when people didn't have like a proper like a thing to put their TV on, and it was in the wall.
Yeah.
And it was
then the-
mounted on the wall.
Yeah, like TV mounted on the wall, and then niche sub decoration rakha hai, like
Like
there's-
these wooden figurines or
Yes.
like
Yeah.
oh bro, anything wood. It like if it's a decorative piece in
Yeah,
your
yeah.
house, even if it's like a furniture. Chal furniture to
wood hi hoega.
wood ही होगा, but like if they had like I know not all families have this, but like if I used to go to any guest's house, like my dad's friends or like my dad's colleague's house, and if they would have like a wooden ashtray or like a glass ashtray or
Yeah.
something, and if they didn't smoke cigarettes, if they smoke like cigars, like the fat ones, I'm like,
That's more.
this is
that's more
premium
hot.
cancer.
That's hot. Cigars. I find cigars really hot.
But like that is insane. You're like smoking 5 cigarettes in one.
That means when you have cancer, you won't go to a basic hospital. You will go to
Fancy. Leelavati.
Leelavati. You will directly die. Stage 1 death.
That's a blessing, to be very honest.
No, for real. For real.
No, but yeah, I mean, it's not like I see it very frequently,
No, yeah.
but like it's a couple of my dad's friends that or like events that I used to go to like as a kid. And bro, the fucking events that we used to go to as kids, like if it's your dad's office party, or if it's your mom's office party, or if it's like your dad's client, you know, like a really a client that he's had for a really long time, and you become like family friends at this point. If they used to invite you to stuff, it used to be extravagant. At least that's what my experience has been.
Yeah.
And my dad has this one client, and she lives in a posh area of Bombay, okay? And she has a 5 BHK. And I don't want to disclose the location, but like she is filthy rich.
Yeah.
And something that I found out when I was, I think, 7 or 8 years old, I had gone to her house. It was some party or something that she had, and it was my dad and my brother and I had gone. And we found out at that party that she has a club membership in almost all the clubs of Bombay. For what?
Fuck.
We don't know. And she was, I think at that time, she was in her mid 70s.
Andha paisa.
Bhai, andha paisa.
Aspiration.
paisa.
She's my aspiration. I want
And
to be
she's
her.
such a classy lady, you know, like
Yeah, I can
she,
tell.
I think she had like, I'm pretty sure she had grey hair, like a bob cut, and like her saris used to be so like, you know, those Delhi grandmoms,
Oh.
those rich Delhi grandmoms.
No, I can't
Maybe
picture.
you will know who I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Describe
South
a
Delhi,
little bit.
But basically, they're very prim and proper. Like
Yeah.
they're mostly like these army wives.
Okay.
And like
Yeah.
army wives or
Yeah, yeah.
people from the army, they have that
Aura.
Discipline
and
and
like
an
discipline,
aura,
and that's
yeah.
what she gave. And I'm pretty sure her husband wasn't from the defense, but she gave off that vibe. She gave off that vibe, you know. And she was, I don't know, her aura only was different. So yeah, her, like, I don't know, even to this day, she's someone I look up to with the way she carries herself,
Yeah.
basically. And I feel like if you're an old lady with class, and like, you know, if you have your like bags, at least my grandmother was like that, and I have spoken about this in another episode. Like, my grandmom was like the epitome of a
Classy lady.
because she used to go to Catholic gymkhana, she used to play
Oh.
like housey, and she used to come in the night and like, you know, with her bags and like her fits and her dresses and her pearl necklace and her heels and
Ooh.
all. Oh my god, that is someone I want to be, guys.
Old people, especially women who have a
Yes.
bob cut with salt and pepper, hair.
Pepper,
Ooh. No, that is
She
different.
knows.
She
She knows.
She knows. She knows how to get it, bro.
Yeah.
And whenever I think of a middle-aged or an older woman who like is like dressed prim and proper, I only think of Maya Sarabhai. For some reason, she isn't
Oh,
even that
fuck
old.
yeah.
They've not portrayed her to be that old in the TV show. But oh my god,
Fuck
whenever
yeah.
anybody mentions anything about a woman being prim and proper, knowing her worth, and you know, dressing like that,
Like, yeah.
I only think of Maya Sarabhai.
Oh my god, yeah.
Nobody else. Nobody
Bro,
else.
Yeah. Like, you know, females like Maya Sarabhai can have men dancing around them like
Yes.
this.
Literally, and you know,
And
they
I
were
love
the it
that.
girls back in the day.
Yeah.
And still are.
And I
Still
love
are.
that. Fully.
It's crazy.
So, as you all know, we both of us, we were in the same school.
Yeah.
And the school that we used to go to had like quite a few rich kids, okay?
Yeah. Yeah, they
Rich,
did.
quite spoiled kids.
Yes.
And I used to fully judge people on the basis of their bags, school bags.
Oh my god.
Like I used to
Same.
fully judge them, fully. Like I used to see if this person is using the bag from the last year only, or they have a new bag this year, or they're gonna have a new bag next year.
I used to always force my mom to get me a school bag, new school bag.
Oh yes.
Every year.
For the longest time, I've used the fucking Barbie one until I was like, I'm not putting anything in this fugly ass bag until you get me a new one with no Barbie on it that looks adult.
Yeah.
No, I had a bag when I was in first standard, I think. And bro, it was the fucking it bag. I'm telling you, it was like an egg-shaped bag.
Okay.
Yeah, it was like an egg shape.
Was it the hard one?
Yeah, it was the hard one.
Oh my God.
And there was like a 3D Barbie on it.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
It was very ugly looking. Like, but at that time,
Yeah,
it was the
yeah, yeah,
fucking
yeah.
shit.
It was
I
dude.
know.
All the girls would like just come and try to poke my Barbie.
Relax,
Consent much.
And I remember there was this one time in school. So I was very like whenever I used to not celebrate birthdays and all of that, but I was that girl in school.
You couldn't, right? Because you had summer break or like
Yeah.
exams.
Yeah.
Not that you didn't want to, it's because you couldn't.
Yeah,
Say it the right way.
that's true.
खाली क्लासरूम में चॉकलेट बांटूंगी.
Saturday को आती थी.
हाँ.
So I was one of those kids कि ये मेरे चाचू लाए US से, ये मेरे पापा लाए
Yeah.
यहाँ से वहाँ से. I was one of those kids, okay? And I really had like very, very fancy boxes. And I still remember to this day, I had one eraser which looked like a heel of like a Barbie.
my
It was like a
God.
pink color eraser. Like a pink color
Yeah.
rubber thingy, and with the heel you can erase it. It was like a platform heel.
Ooh.
Yeah, and then I had like a few erasers which were in the shape of a candy, and they had like candy sticks attached to it. And then like sharpeners, which was like a skirt
Sharpener, you mean?
Yeah.
sharpener, and all of that. So I was very like that in school, and there was this. And I was very crazy about whatever new is gonna come. No, like
Yeah, I know. You were that.
yeah.
You still are like that.
If you remember, I bought my slam book from you, the shiny one which used to
Same.
flip
Yeah,
the
yeah.
sequins.
Yeah.
I still have it.
Same. I think that was the year that it was trending.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
was.
It came out
It
and I was like,
was.
I need to have this.
And I knew Srishti always had the things that were trending, and like if it came in the market, Srishti had it the next week.
Yes.
Yeah.
So there was this one time I remember. Do you guys remember that cotton candy thing that had come out?
What?
So
What
there was
about
this
it?
cotton candy in a packet. If you had that, it would then turn into a bubble gum.
Oh yeah. It was. Yeah. I remember. It was this long, right? Blue and pink.
Yes.
Yeah. I know.
I
Yes.
don't remember the color, but I remember the concept of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that had just come out, and now I've seen it on the ad, and I'm telling my dad, I'm like, please, I want this. And then he's like, okay, I'll try to find it. And we have this store near our house, Unique. My dad found it there. And he
Ooh.
got like 5-6 packets of it, okay?
Aw.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I've come to school and like a bitch, like a fucking bitch. I'm flexing it in front of everyone. I remember this, Sanjay. I'm so sorry.
Am I gonna get fucking roasted again? Wasn't your betrayal enough in 6th grade, Srishti?
I'm so sorry. Miss Sanjana, she comes up to me and she's like, oh, is that the ad thingy? I'm like, yeah. And then she was like, मुझे भी देगी क्या? तो मैंने बोला हाँ हाँ दे
झूठी
दूंगी.
इसने नहीं दिया होगा.
मैंने दिया पर ऐसा इतू सा देखा है कि- मतलब एकदम it was not that big, okay guys, it was just like this much.
हाँ.
और मैंने निकाल के वो हाफ का हाफ होता है ना वैसे करके दिया बेचारी को.
और उसने ले लिया.
You think मैंने पूछा भाई. मैंने पूछा. उसका भी आधा देती मैं खा लेती. Oh my god. Bro,
So
I
sorry.
love
Y'all hated
I
each
know.
other in
I
school.
love that nothing has changed. This is still our dynamic. Kidding.
No, yeah. I'm a nice person now.
No, Srishti was that. Like, we had that dynamic in up until 6th only. And then
Yeah,
in
maybe.
7th, I didn't care about you because I was like, हाँ,
Because she found me.
Yeah, bro.
In seventh.
school.
Yeah,
So she
yeah.
had better friends in school in her life.
Yeah, so I think I get off I get off of that. I don't like people who like take bare minimum and they are
Happy with it?
yeah. So
What the fuck are you
I
fucking
think-
still
no,
attacking me?
Wait, no. Wait, I'm trying to explain it in a better way, okay? So I don't like people who will take my shit if I'm being bad to them and who are taking the shit. If they retaliate, if they
beta.
retaliate,
So you want a baddie.
yeah. If they retaliate and they go, they're like, ma
Friend.
bitch.
Acha,
Ma
that's
bitch.
why in 7th when we became cutter enemies. Then in tuitions we became arey haath mila yaar.
I like people who
We
stand
never
up for
had that.
themselves.
We never had that dynamic.
Yeah, but you never even took my shit all the time, no?
Yeah, I did.
But speaking about kids in school, I remember in the 2nd grade, okay, and this is another thing that I've noticed, okay, if on your birthday, if you're distributing like these melody and eclairs, you're fucking poor.
Yeah,
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 But
bro,
if
yeah.
you gave like fucking Bounty,
Or like
Toblerone.
Safari.
Toblerone or Safari is also $5, bro. That's also like kind of cheap. That's like middle class. No, that's like a little
What did you
bit.
give?
No, I'm telling you now. Don't you remember? I gave like that bottle of bubbles.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I wasn't in your school.
Which I said this on an episode in the birthday
don't
episode.
remember.
Anyway,
Yeah, she did.
But I remember there was this girl in my 2nd grade, okay, and I'm sure you know who she is. But she had promised everyone on her birthday that I'm going to deliver to your houses a Barbie doll set.
Oh,
And this bitch,
I think
I know you know who I'm talking about. And she was like, after like a month or so, I'm asking her, I'm like, but I didn't get mine. And she's like, oh, you didn't get? Everyone else though got delivered to their houses. How did it not come to you? And I was like, I don't know, but it's not come to my house. Can you check? And she's like, yeah, I'll check with my mama and I'll tell you if it's coming to your house or not.
oh.
Anything Barbie related in 2nd grade is like fucking gold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I did not get my fucking piece of gold. So I was pissed at her. And then she had a downfall after that. So I'm happy.
Well deserved. Yeah, well
Bro,
deserved.
I used to love Barbies a lot. I had like a huge collection. I used to love, you know, those hair color changing Barbies and then the clothes changing
Hair-
Barbies.
Clothes, yeah.
Clothes, shoes. Bro, I think that was my dream to have like
Small
multiple
purses,
shoes, like sets of pairs of shoes for the Barbie to
Yeah.
keep changing.
Oh my god.
Outfits and then matching
Oh my
purses
God.
and
As
then
a-
matching shoes.
Yeah, fully. As a kid, I may not have been rich, but I had the best fucking Barbie set.
Yeah.
And it was too fucking good. My Barbie had a bathtub in a Barbie set. Like it was a dollhouse. It was a huge ass dollhouse.
Wow.
It had a bathtub. It had a bed, and then it had a bed and breakfast table. And on top of that, there were like these small things for breakfast, like a pancake thingy.
Wow.
Yeah, it was damn good.
I had a very sexy
And
kitchen
then,
set.
and then there were like stairs like this.
Oh, the spiral stairs.
Spiral stairs in the dollhouse.
That's something. Oh, another thing. Speaking of stairs, if a house has an attached like terrace or like
Yeah,
a
bro.
space on top,
Like I find that rich now also.
Yeah.
that is rich
And
now.
now
but
to more rich.
but
Yeah.
we didn't know that back then. That was something that you wouldn't be able to afford in the future.
Yeah.
So like back then I was like, ये तो बड़ा normal है. फिर हम like एक second, ये normal नहीं है. ये हर घर में नहीं
नहीं
होता है.
होता.
And especially the spiral stairs was like I would lose my shit. I was like,
Yeah.
पैसा बोलता है.
Yeah.
And I know your house has this. Or rather had it before the renovation. But like if a house had like a bathtub attached to in the bathroom, sign me up.
अंधा पैसा बेंचो
भाई
बॉम्बे में
Bombay mein. And that cousin I was talking about, in all 3 of their bedrooms they had that.
I could imagine.
And all 3 of their bedrooms had TVs. Oh!
yeah that
And in the
No, no,
hall.
no, 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 no,
Bro,
no.
4 TVs
No,
in
no,
a
no.
house in like late 2000s is insane.
that's
It's like billionaire shit.
Yeah.
With 4 ACs, hall and 3 bedrooms.
Yeah, that's too
That
That's
is
whack.
mad.
No.
No, that
That's
explains because their dad used to work overseas, but like
Yeah.
still.
For the longest time, in my old house, before the renovation happened, for the longest time, I didn't have a TV in my room. There was just one in the hall. And then my dad did some jugaad with the computer that you could also turn into a TV. So he put a setup box niche, and then just some wire changing situation. The computer sound to our TV. And then उसके बाद बहुत time बाद we got like a small TV, and then हम लोग ने वो दीवार में mount किया उसको.
Her dad's a fucking genius.
Yeah.
dude.
He's very cool with this
fixer,
shit. Yeah,
very
yeah.
fixer core.
Yeah.
He's very cool with this shit, and he enjoys doing it also. So he's like,
No, I think my dad is obsessed with TV. So even if you would ask him to put a TV in the washroom, he'll do it. He loves TVs. He's obsessed with TV. He wants a TV as
Everywhere.
big as the fucking hall ka, what do you say?
TV.
No, the hall frame, what do you say? Wall. The wall. He would want a TV as big as that. He would not be
Acha, where
satisfied.
your space, that space
Yeah.
is. Acha, okay.
He would not be satisfied then too. My dad, he can spend a lot on TVs. He's obsessed with TVs. I don't know.
अच्छा पैसा पैसा बोलता है.
अब तो पैसा दिखता है.
But yeah.
This one whack thought, I told my dad when we were renovating the house, I was like, Dad, can we put a fan in the bathroom?
Oh fuck yes, dude.
And then he agreed, and he's like, "Haan, of course, we'll do whatever you want in the bathroom, no?"
do
And
you-
then we didn't end up doing that.
But did you mean it to like, because I know your bathroom right now is situated in a way where there's a big mirror, there's like a counter where you can get ready also and like do your makeup. Is that why you wanted it?
No, because by bathroom mein, I love having my own bathroom time. If I'm having a bath specifically, I love having my whole time. I'm not like 2 minute में नहाकर बाहर आ जाना.
Okay.
और फिर suffocation होता है.
So that's the exhaust fan you're talking
No,
about.
exhaust तो है. Exhaust तो रहेगा ही. Fan.
Even
Not the
But if
the
you're
one.
having a
one
hot
minute.
shower, wouldn't you want it to be like steamy and hot?
I don't have hot showers.
Oh my god, we have
Dumb
a fucking
bitch.
lunatic in our midst.
मैं गरम खाना भी नहीं खा सकती भाई मैं हॉट
ये
शावर कहाँ से
पागल हो
लूंगी
गई है, पूरी पागल
बट
है।
इट्स नॉट द फैन विद दोस 4 blades or the 3
हाँ,
blades
the-
it's covered
Yeah,
so
I know.
it's like the table fan but covered
mounted on top. Yeah, I know.
हाँ तो I was like bro that's damn like
No, not
fancy
like
to
that.
have in a bathroom bro
Not like
but then
that.
he didn't do that
So there was this one time I had gone to my friend's house, whose family friend's house, who's also very rich. So we've gone there and I've gone to use their restroom, their washroom, and I'm going in. So there were like 2 switches outside.
yeah
So he put on the light switch. And then I asked, which is this one? And he's like, the fan. So I'm thinking the normal exhaust
Yeah.
fan. Then I go and it's the commode I'm talking about, okay?
Okay.
I go inside and there's a proper fan on top.
valid bro
Oh.
And I,
No, but there you need when you're pooping.
yeah.
that's what I meant no
Visionary.
commode के ऊपर
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Yeah, so I used to think that is too fucking rich because my mom never allowed for that shit.
exactly vision ही नहीं है भाई थोड़ी चीजों का
Also, you know, when I was a kid, I used to think that people who wear like transparent raincoats, they are very rich. And not wearing like a blue, green, pink raincoat.
Yeah.
with like cartoons on
Yeah,
it
I feel like
Yeah.
the more design on it, the poorer you are. Because used to be like, हाँ,
Agree.
more matlab rich. I
less
think, like,
मतलब rich
You know, that's what they used to think.
हाँ,
Like,
हाँ.
even I used to have those things. I still have one raincoat which I don't use anymore because for this reason. But now my umbrella is worse.
oh bitch my umbrellas
My umbrella is so.
I hate the चटक होने वाला umbrella
Yeah, the one to put like
yeah,
that and
like
fold it.
what
Yeah,
where is the elegance of just removing the umbrella opening that clip and just pressing one button and the umbrella's there
And then it's better if you press it another time and it closes. Oh,
Yeah.
technology.
Do you guys remember girls who had like umbrella covers?
all umbrellas come with covers babe
But
Not that one.
then
Like if you have like a big stick wala umbrella, then you know on top of that also
Oh, okay.
they would have like the plastic rolling
yeah,
cover.
but that wasn't a rich thing. I feel like
when it just came out at
Oh.
that
Yeah.
time, I used to think, oh
but
bitch,
like
I want
any
this.
umbrella of that pattern the stick umbrella is like paisa bhai
no,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
like that. To okay, sure. But even when we were in school, and when I think I was in the 5th or 6th grade, you remember? I know you had it. Okay,
Of
it was
course.
these pink umbrellas. It has that frill at the bottom, and the handle used to be like this.
Yeah. Like
And I told my mom I wanted, and my mom was like, no, this will break very easily. It's like that same way where नहीं रामू अंकल ने बोला ये शावर नहीं चलेगा ये 2 महीने में टूट जाएगा. I've been seeing these like fancy bathrooms in like these Korean and Japan households.
Yeah.
And then the next one is नहीं रामू भैया ने बोला ये नहीं
I
चलेगा.
would also find hand showers to be very rich on growing up.
Hand showers and
Hand
the
showers.
hot and cold.
Yes.
Like all this, guys, mind
Don't
you,
I'll-
all of this is like back in the late 2000s.
When you were growing up,
when we
when you
were
were
growing
10,
up.
12.
growing up.
And like I always thought two separate taps for hot and cold was like very L behavior.
Very L, bro.
Very L. Like I
Very
need
L.
one tap where I can like adjust. If in the middle it's like thanda garam both. So it's a
One-
good balance.
One cold, one hot,
Yeah.
and one if you don't want to have a bath.
Dude, my nanny had the two different these things for hot and cold. Okay, so I remember it was a pain in my fucking ass whenever I had to take a bath over
Yeah.
there because the shower at all times wouldn't work. So I have to fill the baguette. Sorry.
ये क्या हो रहा है?
Oh, sorry. Okay.
पाव के साथ नहा रही है तू.
French onion soup.
Shit, sorry, cut. Huh. So, and their shower at all times wouldn't like
Yeah, it
not
never
be
works.
working. So now I have to fill the bucket with like full
Bucket.
of क्या बोला मैंने?
Bucket. भाई बाल्टी बोल दे.
रुक.
Bucket.
वापस बोलो.
Say it.
Bucket.
Perfect.
Yeah. So now I have to fill the bucket.
Buck it.
Bucket.
Perfect.
That's what I said.
You keep saying bucket.
I know. I don't know why.
Practice it.
Okay.
Shut up. You don't need practice for this. Okay.
Yeah. So now I have to fill the bucket, and it was such a fucking task
Yeah,
for
I
me
know.
because I'm doing hot, I'm doing cold. I'm like shifting it like
shit.
this.
Yes. But why
And then-
wouldn't you just like fill half of it hot and then put it this
God masti.
Of course.
You need to have both
Girl
the
must
taps running together.
Yeah.
But if it's close enough where you know the bucket is big enough to take both in.
और अगर ज़्यादा time pass करना है-
Sister.
Oops. Chill.
and they were not even like that close, so that I can have it like
yeah,
this.
figured.
Oh,
हाँ,
that's bad.
So ज़्यादा time pass करना है तो I used to keep it under the hot water and then I used to take the magga and I used to like keep filling cold water in the magga
Yeah.
and then swaha. Bro, I was also back shit.
Sustain bro. Like literally.
this would give you immense happiness, and you couldn't even describe
Literally,
the
but
happiness.
like growing up like this with like a lot of jugaad happening around the house made you creative and used to have so much fun.
so much fun.
Yeah.
Like
And like
so much fun. And I don't think with everything being so convenient and like you know having everything at your disposal, it would be so boring. and like L bro.
Bro, I used to have fun so much alone also. I remember I used to keep talking to myself and I used to keep
Of course.
playing.
Still, bro. Still, what are you saying?
Yeah,
It still happens.
Keep playing with myself and just like random ass shit. It keeps me like wondering what fucking crack were we on.
Absolutely.
I want to smoke that again.
Speaking of like houses, before my house was my old
Renovated.
house, I think it was Zia who came to my house a couple of years ago actually, and that was the first time that she came to my house. Okay, and then she saw a false ceiling in my hall, and then she's like, "Bro, you have a false ceiling," and I'm like, "Yeah." Like
Yeah.
I didn't notice. I wasn't one of those kids who
Yeah.
would like notice things and be like, "Oh, this is a rich thing. This is a poor thing."
Yeah.
Like if it was a thought, then it would happen. But I wouldn't sit and notice these
Yeah.
things in people's houses. And then she comes up to me. She's like, "But you have a false ceiling," and I'm like, "Yeah. Do you not like it? What is it?" And I was like, "Bro, that's damn rich." I'm like, "How is a false ceiling rich?" I
Yeah.
don't.
No, it
I
is.
can't even clock it now as to how is a false
Even I
ceiling
don't
rich.
see it.
But then the more I went to people's houses and I realized that they have a false ceiling, and I'm like, 1 minute.
Yeah. Because even before we renovated our house last year, we didn't have a false ceiling. Okay. And I remember telling my dad that, listen, enough of this middle class bullshit. We need a little bit upgrade. And I was like, listen, we need to do like a basic, but we need to have a false ceiling. So you'll have seen my false ceiling
Yes.
right now,
Yeah.
right? So it's not like
Fans.
Yeah, yeah,
fancy,
yeah.
but it's like good
Simple.
enough.
Yeah.
And I used to find that because even when I used to go to like other people's houses, I used to see that and I'm like, "Arey bhai, yaar,
लेकिन
there's
अब
no
मेरे घर
chipped
में
paint."
नहीं है. अब मेरे घर में false ceiling नहीं है.
नहीं है?
नहीं है.
Oh.
लेकिन अब घर थोड़ा बूझी हो गया है, तो अब false ceiling
अब
का
तो
क्या
बाकी
करेगा
सब
bro?
bougie है, right, exactly. And if you didn't have like chipped paint and all that, you know, if your walls were always
Clean,
painted and
yeah,
even
yeah.
if there was like a small chip, वापस paint करो. अरे भाई, ये क्या हो रहा
Yeah.
है?
So my mom used to get really annoyed by that. So she realized that there's this one wall in the house which like constantly need you to get it fixed, or it is like it was close to the bathroom.
Yeah, there's
So-
always that one wall.
Yeah. So then she found a quick fix. She was like, "We are gonna put fucking marble on this.
अरे वाह.
Fuck this
Whoa.
shit." Yeah. That's why we have the entire marble thing on that one wall inside the bedroom.
That makes sense. But that's like a quick. But even if you had marble, that was rich.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
white
yeah.
marble
tiles,
houses.
like tiles and like
Tiles.
granite, and some in certain places where it didn't have to be, but you could make do with paint, but you want to be a little extra fancy.
Yeah, yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, that was also
What? That was mad.
White marble houses were like mad rich.
even
I used
even
to think they were
houses
mad
even
rich.
like houses that would have like a separate dining table. There's one that's in the middle of the hall, like a coffee table situation. और फिर
That's the center table.
सेंटर
Center
टेबल और
table.
फिर तुम्हारे घर के हॉल के दूसरे कोने में एक डाइनिंग टेबल है, मस्त चेयर वेयर लगे हुए. I was like, भाई,
Bro,
That
that
was
is
common
a
in
fucking
mine.
dream, bro.
Sold.
That is a dream for me because I've always had like one house here, one house there, one house this,
Yeah.
one house.
Yeah,
So
but-
I want like a huge space in my house where, you know, we have a separate dining table, we have a couch, we have like a jhula situation happening somewhere, and then we have a very big ass TV. That's
yeah,
a
yeah.
fucking
Big TVs
dream
was
for me.
always a huge whoa.
Yeah, and I remember yesterday I had asked my mom, ki, like, you know, what were certain things you noticed growing up? So even she mentioned the dining table because I think I had told her, ki, like, you know, like dining table to is like common. She's like, no, because when I was growing up, we used to sit on the floor and
Yeah.
eat,
Yeah.
or like we didn't have a concept of everyone sitting around the dining table and eating.
Same.
So I grew up with that. And this dining table is so old in my house because a lot of the furniture has been there since, like, you know, like my dad's time. And it's like a really old building and really old furniture and stuff. So that was something that was very common in my house.
But yeah, a dining table is also a very alien concept to us because in my house also, since before this we used to live in a joint family, and the joint family also had the building had like one house over here, one house over there. Chachu's house on a different floor, mine, us we're living on a different floor. Then other uncle living on a different floor.
Yeah.
But we all used to sit together in my
For-
house for dinners,
Oh.
all of us every
I love
single
that.
day. Yeah. That's why I
so
think
good.
I like joint families. So every single day we used to have dinners together, and my mom would get this like whatever she used to make. She used to come and keep it in the hall, and we used to sit down in a round, and we used to watch TV, and we used to have our food and all of that. So dining table is like a dream concept for me.
Yeah, we usually would like have a proper family meal together when there was some function at home. जैसे कि मेरी भाई की शादी थी तो हम पूरा दिन गए मतलब उसी घर में रहते थे, all four of us, पूरा family. तो lunch भी हो रहा है तो you know सारा खाना बन चुका है and then सब प्लेट ला रहे, ये ला रहे, वो ला रहे, फिर हम and even if dining table नहीं है, but even if there was to be one dining table, हम
yeah.
फिर भी नीचे बैठ कर ही खाते because we've always had food
Yeah,
like that.
हम लोग का भी dining table था, but it was for 4 people only. And now
Yeah.
8 people, 9
हाँ.
people are coming. not the four of us can't sit
Yeah,
there.
correct.
The four others can't sit
Can
here
be
and there.
separated. Has to-
Yeah.
and that's such a cool concept also because all of y'all, yes, you're lived in like your own like apartments or whatever,
Yeah.
but for dinners or for meals, you just come together. That's like
Yeah.
such a cute nuclear but also joint family behavior.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like
Bro,
best of both worlds.
I think this I also did a lot in my uni right now. So in London we used to have flat super niche upar niche
Oh.
all of us, and we used to have dinner in one flat only. So
Okay.
sometimes if like someone from 101 is cooking, we used to go in 101 and we used to sit all over there and eat, and then everyone used to help in the bartan. Some people would
Yeah.
help in the kitchen for the food. I used to always be the food girly. मैं बर्तन नहीं होता मेरे से. Trauma. And sometimes if 83 I used to cook, everyone would come down. I just like that concept a lot of eating food
Together.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But I want to bring up school picnics or like
Oh my
picnics
God.
with families or like you going out for a day
School.
with friends.
Yeah.
Even when we went to Imagica, that's also I would consider that as a picnic.
Yeah,
Of
it
course.
was.
And then you go out with your friends, your family, or like, you know, school picnics was the epitome of showing width. In terms
Showing,
of
yeah.
in terms of the snacks that you bring, in terms of
So true.
if you bring a float, घर से,
Bro, what?
other than you buying a float at the spot,
That's insane.
buying a float from the water park or like whatever,
अंधा.
पैसा
कहाँ
गिर रहा है
कहाँ
उनके
से आ
जेब
रहा
से।
है तुम्हारे पास इतना पैसा?
and level up. You're getting gifts from the gift shop at the place.
Yeah. Even it's like from an airport or like a picnic spot. If you're getting gifts from outside,
Yeah.
when you're on a not a casual, but when you're on a picnic or something, like, okay, calm down.
This one time I'd gone to Kidzania. I want to go again if I could,
Rich.
but I had gone. This one friend of mine, so her mom and dad had accompanied the both of us.
Okay.
And then हम लोग दोनों अंदर गए, फिर वो लोग मॉल वगैरह घूम रहे थे, ठीक है? And towards the end of our this thing, we were just like looking around places.
Okay.
And there was this, you know, those small stores that sell like customized stuff, like Kidzania का cap है,
Yeah,
t-shirt है,
yeah,
ये
yeah.
है, वो है. And I found this set of 4 highlighters.
Okay.
They were like this small,
Okay.
and they had like the 4 characters of Kidzania like stickers on them, and it was like for like I think 150 rupees or something, and I was like, I need to get that. It was something about buying something from those places that I was like, I need to get this because otherwise, what is the purpose of me going there?
Yeah.
And then I
You
didn't
need a
ask.
souvenir.
Yeah, I didn't ask my parents saying, can I get this? I just bought it.
अरे बाप रे.
बिना माँ बाप को पूछे मैं तो खरीद लिया 150 रुपीज में.
Rebel kid.
हाँ भाई. और फिर मैं घर पर आई and I'm excited कि you know I'm gonna tell my parents, you know, I got this for myself, and then I showed them and they're like, ये क्या है? And I'm like, bro, it's a highlighter यार, they're so cute, like there's 4 colors and you know it's so small, मतलब मेरे compass pouch में आ जाएगा और वो सब. And then they're like, कितने का लिया? I'm like, mama, just 150 rupees.
You said the actual price.
Yeah, that was
Ballsy.
150 rupees.
Ballsy.
And
That
then-
was first mistake.
That was first mistake, right?
Chutiya.
हाँ. और फिर
चूतिया.
तब तक I didn't have the idea of street
Lying.
shopping and like saying price कम.
हाँ.
ना I was like सच बोलेंगे भाई हम तो सच्चाई की वो है. And then my mom's like, तू 150 rupees का ये चार्ट छोटा हाइलाइटर लाई है, तुझे क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट पे मैं तुझे 100 में दिला देती इससे ज्यादा कलर्स.
Yeah.
I'm like shit. But I was still happy. I'm like, I don't care if you don't like the purchase that I got for myself. I'm still gonna be like, I got
I
it.
remember whenever we used to go out for picnics, I used to always get something like Aqua Magica,
Of course.
Imagica.
Yeah.
No, but you know what I used to do at home? Because मम्मी तो मेरी भी उतनी ही खतरनाक है. मम्मी तो छोड़ने नहीं वाली. So I used to go first to her and to tell her that I got something for you.
Uh-huh.
Or I got something for Adi.
Kids learn.
And then
Last में
Steal.
मेरे लिए. Oh, अच्छा
steal, just steal.
Steal.
हाँ ना, नया तो खुद के लिए ही है.
Yeah,
And you still do this.
Yeah, I still do this every single time.
But this one memory that is etched into my brain is the fact that, you know, after every open day, like after the report has been given to your parents, after the shikayat has been done about how you are eating in class, how you're bunking and all that. Why did I say eating in class?
So not Sanjana.
No, that is her coding.
I know. But like after that, and after that, you remember the primary section? They used to have the book fair.
Yeah. Oh my
Either the
God.
primary section hall or where the middle school ka that
Yeah.
ground used to be there. We used to have like a book fair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there used to be a spread of like books of like riddles and like puzzles and like
Jokes
encyclopedias, jokes. And I'm like, bhai, crazy, I don't know what to go and bring. And then my mom used to give me, I think, like 200 to 300, and she was like, in this you buy whatever you want. And my mom was like a nice mom. She used to let me, I used to always get the not the crossword book, the circling the
Find
words.
the words,
Find
yeah.
the words. Bro, I used to love that book so much.
Same.
I used to have so many in my house, and like most of them used to be like completed. And I used to love it, dude. It used to be so much fun because sometimes I used to do it, and then if I couldn't find out the words, I used to ask my aunt, and then she used to help me with it. I don't know, that's just like a nice memory I've had of like open day and like book fairs.
This 15 years of my school life, my mom just let me buy one book, which was a riddle book.
Really?
She used to whoop my ass. She used to whoop. She'd be like, if you enter the hall also, you go and see. No. Go and
That's
spend
worse.
half an hour
Yeah,
there.
That's bro.
I don't care. I'm not stepping in. I'm not letting you buy a book because I know you are not going to use it. You just want to buy it because you want to buy it. And I didn't use it.
happens.
I didn't use it. Even the riddle book that I had, I would like skim through a few riddles, ask my friends, and then अब वो book कहाँ है मुझे पता भी नहीं है.
I still have some of the books.
Same.
The one book that I got, I'm like, छोड़ भाई.
I remember I used to go and I used to always tell my mom I want the jokes wala book, and my mom used to give me one like tupply, and she used to tell me that don't just look for this, look for some other good things also. Then I used to somehow randomly pick up like a pop-up wala book.
Oh yeah, oh my god.
Bro,
That I don't know why that was my fucking
I
shit.
need to go to school to see this again.
The Scholastic Fair.
The Scholastic, and they would have that Scholastic pen, which was like a tram or like a big truck. It was like a white and red color pen. I remember very vividly, and it had a light inside it.
They
The
were so
pen
creative
had a
with those
fucking
things.
light, yeah. And then I used to
would-
always get that.
I would also like want. I don't remember what the object was, but there used to be like some objects that you could use inside a book. Like, if I'm remembering correctly, there was one book from Scholastic. It was like a Barbie, some book, and like it had jewelry pieces in
Oh
it
my god!
attached to the back
yes.
of it.
Oh shit, dude, that was the shit. I remember
Yes,
having that, and I used to wear it.
Lucky you.
Fuck that unlocked the new memory.
Lucky you. I never.
Like
my
the pearls and all.
Yes,
Yeah,
my mom
bro.
never let me get those.
Do you remember we would have those? We would get those pearl kit where
Yes.
you have to open that oyster and then fucking.
You got that for your birthday once,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Someone gifted that to me on my birthday.
Oh god.
Dude,
Yes.
I'm telling you,
Bro, that was
they
such a
cooked with that.
scam. Yeah.
But like, with
they
My
cooked.
mom didn't let me
But
cook.
that
No.
that was a crazy experience, dude.
Really, it
Like,
was.
Can you imagine?
No, but like even the people who चल ठीक है पप्पू बनाया तो बनाया.
How the fuck do you think about it?
Exactly, bro. I'm telling you, they were having too much fun with it.
Yeah.
I think they were having more fun than we did.
Yeah,
For
absolutely.
sure.
Absolutely.
For sure.
Because I remember it used to be a treat to walk inside, and even if you're not buying it, to just like for those 5 minutes to witness it in your own hands and experience it.
And then
Unmatched.
imagining your life with you having it,
Yeah.
and then you're going home and then telling your friends and bringing it to
In the
school the
bag,
next
in
day.
the bag, bitch. Out.
Getting it to school the next day was the shit.
No, but those should not be allowed in school. They used to be
We would
confiscated.
sneak
Yeah.
it in. You've never sneaked.
Not like when I was like in 5th standard. I used to get too scared of that.
Same. I used to
A
call
little
my
later.
I used to call my friends home and then I used to show them.
I used to not. I used to play with it on my own. I didn't have friends also to call home back then. So.
Abhi ka hai.
Hey, तू चली जा वापस चली जा. No, but like when you mentioned picnics, you did not mention the snacks.
She did. Just like
Because I was one of those kids who would take ghar ka khana.
Exactly.
My mom would give me sandwich. I remember which. One rectangle dabba. Usme half is
Chutney
chutney
sandwich.
sandwich and half
Chutney
is shakkar
cheese.
bread. No, shakkar bread.
I love
Shakkar
shakka
bread's
bread.
a delicacy in my house.
It's shakka butter and bread.
Shakka?
yeah. Shaka.
Shaka butter.
Venture.
Even when you came home that day when we
Buckets.
when we made pasta, remember my mom asked me to do shakar bread chahiye kya? And I was like, I'm down.
Oh yes, I
for
do
it.
remember
yeah.
that. But no, like chutney
Yeah, it's a
sandwich
thing
is
in
a
my house.
constant.
Must. Yeah.
It's a constant. But something that my mom used to always ask me, so, the evening before the picnic, on the way back from work, my mom used to ask me, she's like, what do you want to take for your picnic tomorrow? And then my mom, up until like 6th or 7th, she used to not allow me to take fizzy drinks.
Oh, okay.
Because in the bus, you know, with like
Haan,
upper
haan.
niche, when you open it, it's like, oh, half
Spill,
the bottle
yeah.
is out. So my mom used to give me maza or slice. And then she used to give me
Wow.
like either hide and seek or Oreo or something else.
Oreo, fancy.
Fancy. Bro, I upgraded to Lotte Choco Pie.
Oh, Bob.
And hide and seek. And chips. Dude, in high school.
And
I was
upgrade
like,
from Lotto Choco Pie is a dark fantasy cookies.
oh yes, that too. Oh,
I
that was
don't-
rich. That was rich. That
I
was rich.
don't relate to y'all.
No, you used to get all fancy things, no?
You would get like what Lay's and
No,
What would
I
you
used
take?
to get like a McDonald's ka burger.
ये देखो.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Yeah.
भाई वो हमको स्कूल से लंच में भी नहीं मिल रहा था.
I used to get like a Mac aloo tikki or a Mac veggie, and then a few,
Never.
like 1 or 2 more for my friends. My dad used to like tell me to keep it for your friends also. And while the morning before leaving, my dad would just take me to the medical shop and ask me कौन से chips चाहिए, कौन से juice चाहिए.
I used to get as a fixed ration. Like,
हाँ,
I used to
हाँ.
get one.
Yeah, one
Not like
type
multiple.
One chocolate of your choice, one biscuit of your choice, chips of your choice, and then the dabba. My mom would never give me like drinks. She's like, pani ki bottle rakh, that's the best.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
even like maza or slice or whatever.
That's
no.
sad.
No, I'm not a fan of fizzy drinks either, so
But
I didn't
you,
care.
you like maza, no?
Now, not back then. So I was like,
You were forced to not like it.
बेचारी के साथ भाई बेचारी के
you
साथ
didn't want, you didn't get.
बहुत गलत हुआ है इसके साथ. इसको रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा है ये.
but ठीक है यार, मैं खुश थी उसमें भी यार.
कल
मैं तो
कल समझेगा कल.
तुझे actually Stockholm syndrome है, तुझे पता नहीं है. Your mom manipulated you a lot.
मम्मा यार. Hey Kyle.
I feel very, now that I've said, like we've almost gone through halfway of this episode, I've realized my parents have not said no to me only.
That's the problem.
Babe, you've clocked it. You've clocked your issue yourself.
My parents have never denied me of anything. Like I remember watching
Must be nice. हमें तो नहीं पता ये feeling. हमें तो है ही no.
I remember watching the Katrina in denim skirt.
No.
And I told my dad I want a denim skirt. The next day I have a denim
Of
skirt.
course. Shabash.
I mean, outfit wise तो याद नहीं भाई.
What was that?
I'm trying to think.
Outfit was याद नहीं है मुझे.
यहाँ पे भी manipulate किया ही होगा.
Yeah, I feel for outfits, I think until I was like 5-6 years old, I used to get. Actually, no, outfit wise also I used to get whatever I wanted only. But
हाँ.
uske baad I used to be a little. It used to be a little more in my control. Because up
You'd be
until
picky.
I'd be picky and I used to be like, no, I want this, I don't want this. But before that, even if it's itching you, I don't care because I had like that. If anything is itchy on my body, you know, I do not like it.
Yeah,
when
yeah,
I was a
yeah.
kid, I had like a very big sensory thing.
Yeah.
And
You almost all kids have that when they're younger.
Yeah.
no, but like
I haven't met anyone who hasn't had that once in their life.
probably, yeah, that is true.
But my mom's fashion sense was damn good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
if you see my baby pictures, my clothes.
Dude, that was also
every
a sign
outfit.
of like
Yeah.
class. Because if you had like, at least for me, with my dresses, my mom used to get like these lace socks.
Yeah, same,
and
same.
like, you know, the small shoes.
matching heels.
Heels?
Yeah, like the
Chotu
chotu
one.
platform
heels, and then
heels.
like a
Yeah.
headband and like a, if you
Yeah.
had to put 2 buchundis. Do you all call it buchundis? I call it buchundis.
Ponies.
Ponies or whatever. My dad call, I don't know why I said that. But like, you know, the
Matching rubber bands
bands
or,
with like
yeah.
a whatever
Yeah.
those
My mom used to do like my mom used to have those hair clips which
Yeah,
were
yeah.
round.
Yes!
So she used to like
Yes, I
do
love
this,
those.
And then
this,
fit.
and then she used to put
yeah.
the pin. She used to apply little eyeshadow, very little
My
eyeshadow,
mom was
and
the-
very little lipstick on my lips.
My mom was the
Very little.
worst person to go to apply blush because she would just like put 2 circles over here. And in so many of my childhood pictures, it's just 2 circles. And my mom till this date, she's damn proud of the makeup that she did on us without realizing that it made us look like clowns.
I think that's why you can't blend your blush nowadays.
Yeah, no patch.
I think it's just there permanently.
Attack ho raha hai bhai. But like yeah, even my mom would like love to play dress up with my
Oh
sister
my
and
God,
me.
same.
She'd like get
Same.
matching clips to
Yeah.
outfits and then jewelry
we all
and then
would-
oh my
yeah.
god, my mom would go crazy on those stickers, those glitter stickers that you could stick over here.
Oh.
So when you were younger, no, mehendi, you couldn't put mehendi, right? For like family
school.
functions and stuff because of school. So she found this jugaad. So they like a picture hoga to we'll put it up here. But there used to be these various stickers, like you know how mehendi designs used
Yeah,
to be
in a design
like
pattern.
a flower
Yeah, I
and then
get
those
it.
leaves and all of that. And she would get like small ones for like your hands and like big ones for like here.
Cute.
And then she would dress up and like put stickers and put kajal.
Why did we let our mom stop dressing us up?
Why did we?
Yeah.
Because every single outfit slapped. From the hair to the jewelry to the fit to the
Socks,
shoes,
shoes, accessories.
Oh.
They cooked there.
They cooked,
Fully.
bro. And this one time, my mom, a little out of context, but it was my older mamu's wedding, and I wasn't born back then. My sister was like 2 or 3 years old, 2 years probably. And my mom liked this one Kareena Kapoor's outfit from some movie. I don't remember which. And my mom is like, I am going to make this for my daughter. Say whatever the fuck you want.
Bro,
to."
same.
She made
And she made
Same.
the similar, a very, very similar pattern and like same color, this thing
colored
outfit for
pattern.
my
Yeah, yeah.
sister.
Do you have a picture of it?
I probably
have.
do.
I have a
I
picture.
must have.
I have a picture of that Jab We Met song, Ye Ishq Hai, and she's wearing that red skirt and
Oh,
the
black and white.
the black corset and the white thingy. I have a picture of that. My mom got it for me. I
That's
don't
so
know from where. She was like, I love this thing.
Wow.
And then I was crying for the longest time about this Katrina Kaif dress from that movie, Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's the black dress, like a black sporty dress.
She's singing in that song, right?
Yeah, tujhe yaar nazar
हाँ, हाँ.
nahi aata. Bro, to this date remember that dress. My parents got something similar to that, but it was not that. And I still cry.
I thought she would be happy.
But it's Rush.
It is Rish.
No,
It is
the man who gets me that dress,
Can get it?
no.
Hey, auntie.
No. देखेंगे सोचेंगे
अरे तो मत लाओ भाई.
पहले ड्रेस दो यार ड्रेस के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है
So here are some of the honorable mentions that we cannot let this episode go without
Absolutely
talking
not.
about.
fully
So yeah, do you want to start?
Yeah, so as a kid, I used to always think that you having a family portrait, family photograph in the house, it felt very rich and very fucking Bollywood to me.
Yes!
Like if you had that, you're fucking top tier rich dude.
You know what? When I was, I think, a year old, my family had taken an entire family portrait, and my dad and my uncle and my brother were in suits. My aunties were in a sari. My mom was in a sari, and I'm in like a princess dress. I'm going to find that picture. I'm going to put it on the screen because it's so adorable.
That's too
I
iconic.
love that.
Bro, that unlocked.
Make a
I love
frame
it.
out of it.
Even
It is a frame, but now that
Yeah.
we don't have shells over our TV,
Hmm.
we've not put it on there.
Nail it in.
We don't want to do that. But anyway.
If I were you, I would
Anyway.
do it. Because
I
that's,
know,
oh my
I know,
god.
I know.
Yeah.
I feel that it's like very fucking
Absolutely.
No,
rich.
that is so true.
Absolutely.
That
What
is
about you?
true.
I feel in school when we would start using pens, I think I would use the normal gel pens like Jiffy gel and all of that bullshit until I got myself a Trimax,
Oh, the 50 rupee one?
and then I haven't gone back from a fucking
60.
Trimax.
75 one, the gold one.
I used to 51.
No,
51.
fuck, it was 95. Yeah.
What? When
The
we
gold
started-
was the gold was 95.
I'm talking about the normal Trimax.
The normal
50
blue one.
Blue
the
one.
blue one was to 50 only.
And I had a very stupid delusion. मतलब Trimax से लिखूंगी तो मतलब मेरी handwriting ऐसे बहेगी paper पे.
100 marks.
100, 200 marks
100
for
marks
using
out of
Trimax.
60.
And then I have not gone back after I started using a Trimax.
through and through.
And the worst and the best part about it was that मेरे पास सिर्फ एक थी. And I would keep buying the refills. And I would strategically have enough refills in my pouch during exam time because I didn't want to use anything else but a Trimax specifically for my exam because I was like, I need to show that I've studied. I want to look like that smart kid who studies, who knows a shit. Good handwriting तो पहले से थी मेरी तो मतलब चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. लेकिन I had to be like
on flex.
Trimax use करेंगे तो thoughts flowing.
Yeah, that's the same theory applied to a pen pencil, the Uniball.
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 Yeah, the which had the
Yes,
push thing.
Transparent thingy.
Oh, bitch, ours. Remember, all of us had it in
Oh,
Shivsan.
We had the same color also.
No, I had black.
I also had black. No,
Zia
I had
and
blue.
I
You had
no.
blue.
Zia and I had green.
Someone had pink also.
She only had
Bro,
pink.
I had given Zia pink on her birthday.
We had our colors decided since so long.
The fuck? This is crazy.
I had green only.
I had blue for a while and then I had black.
I had black for the long. I still have a black one.
Yeah, I don't think they have a yellow one.
Yeah,
do
because
they?
no one would even use the yellow one.
Yeah, I don't know. Hey, yeah.
Yellow is a primary color.
Correct.
लगा हल्दी अपने मुंह पे.
You go. Yeah, but beanbags was something that was out of my like reach. I'm like, dude,
Real.
Syllabus
crazy.
के बाद.
And I
Real.
got that as a gift when I was, I think, when I was 8 or 10 years old. I got that as a gift from my godmother, and it was a blue beanbag,
Wow.
and it was like not the huge ones like Zia's house, like Zia's upar wala ghar has, but it was like a smaller one, which is like only I could sit on it.
No,
Yeah.
valid.
And like whenever my dad or my brother used to sit in it, it used to be like a little small for their big ones. So I was like, perfect for me.
Even we had a beanbag until the time my brother thought it would be a great idea to tear this open and to see what it has.
I used to love opening it from the bottom and putting my hand inside all the beans and like ruffling it up. I don't
Bro,
know.
but this stupid fucker, he opened it. He opened it with a knife. And yeah, and then there was like fan running and all in the hall.
Oh my party.
Our entire hall was covered in like those thermo balls.
Oh my god.
It was a nightmare for my
I
mom.
would've-
After
I
that,
would have whooped his
आंटी ने
ass.
4 लगाई होगी ना.
fully. After that, my mom never allowed us to have beanbags.
Valid.
No, fair.
Yeah, but what's something else that y'all thought were like
One thing
crazy?
I found was very rich growing up was suitcases with 4 wheels
Okay. Yeah.
made with that specific American Tourister wala hard
Okay.
material.
4 ही तो wheels होते हैं ना
नहीं
suitcase.
2. पहले 2 आते थे. I've had ones that had 2 wheels.
It was the two where you have to like
Slant and drag.
Like slant and drag.
And then
it wouldn't just go like this. You
the
had to
bougie one was
take
like
it
you
ऐसे
could
पीछे
just
से.
do this.
सब तो ऐसे ही होते हैं ना
Nah,
normal वाले.
अभी पहले
पहले
2
भी.
wheel आते थे. नहीं. I have a suitcase with 2 wheels on it.
It used to be
still.
2 wheels pehle.
Yeah. But then
Go ask your dad.
the juxtaposition of that is when people would like put those colored ribbons on their bags or like put name tags. It's like ये नहीं घूम सकता. And I still have those colored ribbons on my suitcases. All of them, they're all the same color. And then if मतलब जब तक वो खुद से नहीं फटेगा वो वहाँ से नहीं निकल रहा है.
Yeah, and if you thought like at least me, if I was wanted to be a little fancy, I used to make those loom bands. Not loom bands, those plastic
Yeah,
things that
yeah.
used to come. I used to make that thing and I used to put it. My mom used to put that on our bags. And I think anything to do with helping identify your suitcase, be it a ribbon or a name tag with your address, with
Big L.
everything. Yeah.
Big L.
But just a suitcase. I don't know. But like it is a
It's
thing.
a very us.
It's a very
thing.
us thing.
No, I've never had this. I used to as a smart person, as a normal person should, I used to see the tag. whose name is written. If it's not mine,
Yeah,
then
but
just
there
let
would be
it
a
go.
tag, right?
What tag?
With
But
your
not the
name on it.
Tag,
Then-
Baba. It's the flight wala tag, the luggage wala tag that they put.
उतना नहीं सोचते
उतना
थे
नहीं
ना.
कर रहे भाई. Color देखा?
What is easier to do?
Color.
Identify
I have a
colour.
theory. I have a theory. Okay, buy the ugliest fucking color. Your baggage always comes
True,
fast.
true.
Bro, trust me. Trust me. I've hacked the fucking system. I have the ugliest fucking color of my suitcase. My baggage always
It's that
comes
colour.
very fast.
It's this colour.
Yeah, it's this color. And it always comes very fast, guys. Trust me, do it. Do it. They just don't. They just don't fucking want it in their system. They just don't want that color to be in front of their eyes. They just want to give it away.
Green.
Bro, yeah. This is
Green.
the color you go for.
इसका ही color है. But yeah, another thing that I found was like really mad rich was having carpets in your house, because my mom was of the belief that no, carpets get dirty
Ganda
very
ho
fast.
jata hai
Who's going
bhai.
to put it to wash every time? You
Yeah,
can't
yeah.
sweep on it. You can't like swab
Clean
it.
it.
Like you can't clean it very frequently. It collects dust and everything.
Yeah.
So this was not a rich person problem, because they used to have vacuums, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So that was not a problem for them, and they used to keep it. So, but it was a very foreign concept to me.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I see
even
it. I see
yeah.
it.
Bro, we had a vacuum, I remember, and my mom was telling my maid that this vacuum, no, you can even like take, you know, when you're doing wet jhadu, when you're like mopping the floor with
Okay.
water and all of that,
Uh-huh.
with soap and water.
Pota.
So yeah, so the vacuum would be able to take the water also out from that thing.
But like that happened when we were kids.
No, this happened when we were in 5th or 6th standard.
Kids.
Yeah, like 6th, 7th standard.
Okay.
Yeah, when we had just shifted here.
Oh, okay.
And that's when, I don't know what the fuck she did, bro. She broke a vacuum.
Your mom?
No, the
Oh.
maid.
Acha.
Ah.
It was a great, like a,
Oh no, it was a good vacuum.
yeah, I think it was a known brand. I don't remember the brand, but it was a very known brand. So after that, after that also for a brief period of time, we had carpets in the house. But then my mom really got very annoyed. She was like,
I know
Yeah.
for a fact that even when we put a carpet in our in the hall, my mom's gonna like it up until a point it starts to look dirty and shabby because she
Yes.
can't clean it. And then at the end of it all, it's going to roll up and then go in the malia only.
yeah.
But I still want it because why not?
Vibes.
You know, like
Aesthetic.
even if it's there for a month, I want to enjoy it. I want to know what it feels like.
And why are carpets so expensive?
Carpets are very expensive.
They're made from like wool and shit. So,
तुझे 1 महीने के लिए चाहिए?
हाँ?
तुझे 1 महीने के लिए
मुझे तो हमेशा चाहिए. मेरी माँ को नहीं चाहिए ना.
बट तेरी माँ का ही चलेगा ना घर पे. तेरा थोड़ी ना चलेगा. खतरनाक है मम्मी मेरी भी. But yeah, another thing, if you got lunch boxes for lunch in school and it did not have chapati bhaji, if you had like Maggie or like pasta or like a sandwich for lunch, because I'm like, bro, how is your mom okay with this? Or if they had like leftover pizza from last night,
Crazy.
That was
Fries.
the shit. That was the shit.
what?
This one friend of mine, her name is Afia. She would
Shout out.
hi
Shout
Afia.
out, Afia.
She would get like she had that 2 dabba wala like ऊपर भी
Lame, bro.
no. It was a tiffin Milton ka with ऊपर भी और नीचे
Milton
भी.
is good.
Milton is like
Paisa.
and she would get this veg fried rice. She would get that and she knows that she knows
तेरा
knew
तो
that
खड़ा
I'm
हो गया.
veg. I would go ham on it and like after a point she'd get like 2 or 3 spoons because that
She knew.
इतने सारे लोग उसका डब्बा वो खाते थे
ठूसते थे भाई.
पूछते थे भाई एंड शी मतलब दोनों एकदम पैक होके आ रहा है उसके घर
Bro,
से ओ भाई
my mom had this issue. Okay, so I love my mom and I love like her a lot. And my mom makes really very yummy food. Okay,
Yeah.
you all know my mom
Yeah.
really makes amazing food. But the issue with her is she knows only to cook for like 3 people or 4 people. So she just sends this. She used to just send this much food to the school, and every single time I used to tell Mama, मेरे friends को भी पसंद है थोड़ा ज़्यादा भेजना. And she used to be like, okay, मैं 2 चपाती के बदले 4 चपाती दूंगी. मैं बोला भाई 4 चपाती
8 चाहिए 8.
4 चपाती में किसी का कुछ
40
नहीं हो रहा
भेजो।
भाई. And my mom used to make that soya chili thing. Like she used to make soya bean stir fried in like the Manchurian gravy sauce.
Oh, like a fry, like a
Stir
chili fry,
like chili
yeah.
fry.
Chinese.
Yeah, like
Ooh, yeah.
Chinese.
Oh, bapre.
Bro,
Crazy.
do you guys remember Yanvi? Shout out Yanvi. Yanvi, we have played the worst prank on her with that soya chili. I
Oh
gave
my
her to try that.
God.
I can
and after
imagine.
that, I told her it's chicken. Her being a Jain Marwadi, she
Shout
cried, bro. She cried, and then she went for a second bite. And then
Knowing
that's
that
when-
it was chicken.
I don't know. She was like, "अबे एक बार खा ही ली है तो ऐसा
I think
कुछ
she
कर-"
secretly wants to try
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, maybe. And then I told her that nahi need the veggie. After that, she has pestered me almost every month. Like, abhi, आज बोल आंटी को, आज बोल कल लेके आने.
But like I
मजा
was
आता
the kid who would like take 2 dabbas, you know, like एक में रोटी सब्जी और फिर एक में fruits है, खाकरा है. And agreed, it's a very L thing to do, but like you had aura if like people from like all your friends are like coming to have one bite from your dabba saying यार मस्त लग रहा है यार. And
Yeah.
then I would hardly get like 1 or 2 bites and then सारे दोस्त लोग ही खा जा रहे हैं डब्बा.
Yeah.
And especially if I would take खाकरा to school,
No, that used to sell
I
like.
would-
Bro,
I would
khakra.
request my mom saying if you're sending khakra, do not send just 3 or 4. At least put 6 to 7, because everybody would come to my table being like, "Bhai, ek piece de de bas."
You should have started
Bro.
selling one piece.
Yanvi's, bro, Yanvi's
missed it.
khakra. She used to get 2 tiffins for khakra. And then one her normal dabba, eating dabba, she used to have 2 tiffins. And we used to run. We used to have fights. We used to fully have fights on that khakra.
Bro, I don't know why I've never liked that.
And
Have you liked the one that you had at my house, the spicy chutney one that I give to Srush?
I
and
don't
Zia?
remember. You gave me also. I don't remember things, but I'm pretty sure the ones that the people used to get in our school, like I have tasted it, but I never
not
liked
all
it.
of them. I never liked all of them. I just
Probably.
liked it was
Which
just
ones have you
Yanvi's
had?
khakra.
It used to taste very oily and like like very
Ghee. That's ghee, bro.
like very ghee. I used to not like it.
I'm a ghee paglu.
And to this day, love, it's like a full circle moment to me right now. One of my friends in London, he got this khakra chutney, and so the chutney had everything. You don't have to put the masala alag se or the ghee alag se.
Okay, so it's like a
this
pre-made.
full chutney.
Yeah.
It has peanuts. It has garlic. It has like spicy, bro.
इसका खड़ा हो रहा है भाई तू चुप रहे
भाई क्या चटनी
भूख लग रही है भाई
मैं लेके आई हूँ यहाँ पे.
good very good
Good snake.
good snake
no,
But-
no, obsessed.
I feel my mouth is watering now
Garlic का नाम सुनते ही
तू क्या बोल रही है
मैं घी पगलू हूँ. Garlic and ghee.
और क्या but if people had like a Mac or an iPod or a flip phone, insane. I couldn't fathom that. I couldn't.
My dad.
Or even the BlackBerry, the ones where you could flip and then you could do that
Yeah.
and then you could type.
That
like
was my dad.
That was so
That was
like
my mom.
lollipop.
That was my dad. Like one. And my mom had a flip phone.
Brother, that's
Yeah.
crazy.
She was the shit. And I had an iPod Shuffle, the chotu one.
What the fuck? Why am I just noticing
Yeah,
your aura?
my mom had a flip BlackBerry, and my dad had.
Are you sure BlackBerry, not Burberry?
And my dad had Nokia E90. So a lot of people from our generation would know the chokehold Nokia E90 had. It was like this phone. ऐसे था. ऐसे normally Nokia का कैसे phone होता है ऊपर छोटा screen
Yeah.
square वाला, then नीचे the numbers, and then it used to open. और ये side पे पूरा screen है और ये side पे ऐसे keypad जैसे है.
हाँ वही तो उसने बोला. It used to open sideways, no?
Yeah.
It used to open like अभी जो Samsung Fold
Yeah, that's what I'm
होता है
saying.
वैसे.
That's what I'm saying.
Bro, that was too fucking
That was
good.
Even my dad had
Bro,
that.
they were so
What a-
creative.
Do you guys remember Micromax Bling?
No.
It was a Micromax phone with like a diamond button as a home button.
What?
Yeah, not like
I
real
need to
diamond.
see it so I can remember.
Not like real
Pushti
diamond.
यार, Micromax है बहन. तनिष्क थोड़ी.
No, but like imagine if Micromax X Tanish happened.
No, it should happen now. People will go berserk.
Yeah, fully.
Crazy Oreo.
हाँ ये देख नीचे 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 कर थोड़ा नीचे कर थोड़ा हाँ ये देख ऐसे स्लाइड होता था
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you, they cooked with like stuff like
They
this.
did, bro. Now where is all this?
Literally. But did you all have friends or cousins who used
Yes.
to get a bit इसीलिए तुझे कट ऑफ करने का मन करता है.
सच बोला मैंने भाई.
But did you all have cousins and friends who used to have like the EOS lip balm?
No.
I had one, a friend of mine, I think from school or like from church. I don't
Is
remember.
he
Was
young
it
age
Riya?
bhai?
No, it was not. Church. वो church में आएगी.
School में तो थी ना भाई.
No. But she had that EOS lip balm, and I used to see that on YouTube everywhere. Like every second YouTuber back then used to get that for a Christmas gift or like a birthday gift or like a I don't know bro,
Whatever
but like,
gift.
whatever gift, and they used to flex those ones, and they used to
Yes.
have like DIY on how you can make more of your own. And I'm like, bro, need
Or
hai
they
yaar.
would have like they would dye it to a different
Yeah,
color
yeah,
and all of
exactly.
that
And they used to put
bullshit,
like their
bro.
lipsticks, and they used to melt their lipsticks and put it in that, and then you know,
Yeah.
this oh,
It has like a
pops
tint to
like
it.
that.
Hmm.
Yeah, like that
Wow.
was something that I wanted. But another thing is having juice for breakfast.
No.
Out of syllabus, alien concept.
Out of mind, out of sight, literally.
Yeah,
Because
alien
you have a
concept.
spread full, especially on TV in these early 2000s Disney shows. You used to see this.
Oh my God, yes.
They used to have a table full of like eggs, bread, sausages, fruits, coffee, milk. There's juice,
Chocos,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
choco, cereal, and
ये
these
सब छोड़
motherfuckers
के एक जूस लेके
एक एप्पल लेंगे जो पहले बार धोया नहीं है. I don't know if
Cut
it's
भी नहीं
washed
किया
and
है.
kept. They'll pick it up, flip it in the air, have the sip of juice, and run out the door.
Idiots.
Like, bro, are you mad?
Idiots.
I don't know. I used to. My mom would try giving me milk initially, and जब भी मैं दूध पीती थी खाली पेट मुझे उल्टी आती थी.
Lactose intolerant.
I think बचपन से ही problem है.
Yeah.
तो my mom would never give me milk in the morning.
What a
Then-
lucky kid, bro.
Yeah. Then she used to always give me a glass of juice and that dry fruit thingy.
Yeah.
Always.
I always felt growing up if kids are having like chocos for breakfast with milk, sold, because मुझे याद है my sister couldn't digest milk because she was also lactose intolerant for a while. So like she could have milk but not just as is.
Yeah,
she had
same,
to
same.
have it mixed with something.
Same.
So then my mom, like, we got chota packet of chocos, like the dabba that you get,
Yeah.
chota wala, for her to try and see if it works for her, and it did wonders for her.
मेरा शाम का breakfast था वो. शाम को मैं नींद से उठती थी and my mom used to give me गरम दूध. And I
I've
used to
never liked cereal.
put chocos. I love
Just the
chocos.
the smell of plain milk
Yeah, I know.
makes me want to vomit.
No, same.
I can't. Even when I pass by
If
a
it's
doodh ka dairy or something.
If it's like boiling milk, and if like my mom boils the milk in like the night or something.
ऊपर नीचे दोनों से होता है मेरा तो भाई
नहीं
बंद
भाई,
करो.
please, enough.
Today
can't.
morning
What if it's
when
milk
this
barfi?
happened? Oh.
Yeah.
And Subha हुआ, I was making
I love
coffee
that
and
shit.
I put coffee शक्कर in my glass and then मैं दूध गर्म किया, ठीक है, और मैं मतलब वो पकेट से लेने गई, दूध उठाया और थोड़ा नजदीक आ गया तो मेरे को वो दूध की whiff, oh
बहन भाई माँ बाप.
I
सब
had to
याद आ
like
गई.
I had to do this, take a huge
Like you
breath
gotta get yourself together and come
We
back.
are
and then pour it in.
We
I
are
can't
full
deal
on
with it.
दूध haters भाई.
Oh,
We
for
hate दूध.
sure, bro.
We are not doodh paglus.
We're not.
I
दूध
hate
paglu.
I
दूध.
hate milk.
Coffee,
Same.
bring it on. Try,
Hate
bring it on.
fucking milk.
Yeah.
Plain milk, don't bring it
yeah.
on. Bring it off.
I don't.
What the fuck?
I
oh my
think
god.
This is our cue too.
Jessica has given us a cue to end this.
Yeah, bring it off.
Take it off. You get off, bro. But yeah, what should we give them to comment? Which emoji should we give them to comment
I
if they
think
stayed up
milk
now?
only.
Comment the
Dudu
milk glass.
bottle.
Not the glass, no?
Dudu bottle.
Okay.
Or
Dudu bottle.
or an orange juice.
Orange. Baguette.
Comment the packet.
No, that's being cut. So much you have to cut it.
Okay, if you guys have stayed up until now, we need you to comment the Dudu bottle and the orange juice.
Juice.
Juice. Comments. emojis in the comments. And yeah, I mean, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with
Your rich friends.
your rich friends or your future rich friends. Share it to yourself because you're going to be rich in the future.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and also like this video. Do all the goodies.
Yeah.
And if you're listening to us on Spotify, don't forget to give us a good rating, you know, just 5 stars.
Yeah.
And if you're watching any of our reels on Instagram, make sure you like the reels, you comment good things, you share it to your friends who you find are or
Rich
were
brats.
super rich or are super rich. And if you've not followed us yet on Instagram, what are you doing? Do it.
Bro.
Do it.
It's
Now.
we are
That-
Besharam.
That will make you rich.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
She clocked it. Done and dusted. But until next time,
Stay
Besharam.